Hey, what's up, guys? Neil here. In few hours, I'm headed to Las Vegas. I'm gonna meet my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law, and I just want to show you real quick the the what's in my bag. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be bringing with me to Vegas, and yeah. So, oops. Here's my DJI FPV goggles version 1. It's still good. And then I bought an Axie 2 HD. Wow, this worked well. My longest or farthest flight was actually 2 miles, and it works. And then that's my old Jumper T16 controller. These are J40 props from HQ props. They're good. I like J37 better, which is underneath those two quadcopters. And this one is my GoPro 9, which will be mounted on that 7-inch quadcopter. That's my long range quad. All right. And then I'm only bringing with me 3 LiPo batteries. 6S, yeah, this one, yeah, that one. Okay. I noticed last time I brought 8, and quite honestly, I used 3. And then these two are my 2 new lithium ion 6S, and they are made by Molicel. I'm referring to the battery, 21700 Molicel 45 amp. The capacity is 4200. But I made them, okay? And then what else? These are 7 by 4 by 3 props made by HQ Props. And I was told just recently, based from the black box log that I shared with them, that there's not enough truss. So I'm thinking of buying 7 by 3.5 by 3, and because that has more truss. Okay, this is my 5-inch, that's my 7-inch. And then I have another quad which I will be checking in, because this one is already quite heavy and I didn't want to get scolded by the security there. So these are my just a USB cable if I wanted to reconfigure the 7-inch quad or the 5-inch quad. No, I don't have the USB B. I have to bring it. Almost forgot. And then I'm bringing 3 extra motors. Yeah, these are old ones. This is 2207 and then 2207.5, 1920 kV. These are 1750 kV. Yeah, from, I forgot the name, Armaton. Yeah. And then this is my 4S 16.8 volts lithium ion, which I snatched from a charger, and I'm using this to power my DJI goggles. And then I'm bringing some extra screws just in case, as well as lock nuts. Okay, and I have another one for my DJI goggles, because I'm not gonna bring my lithium ion charger. Okay, so that's why I already charged them. But all my lipos, especially when you're traveling, you don't you should just discharge them. So they are currently discharged at 3.6 3.7 volts. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, I'll be checking in my pine seal soldering iron just in case. Oh, I need to bring my soldering lead. Almost forgot. So I still have a few more things left to put here. And then right now I'm also printing some legs or shoes for this. It's currently printing right now. You know what they're meant for. I just made this today. 18-inch diameter, 18 millimeters for the diameter. Yeah, so they're gonna prevent. Oops, it's not good. It's loose. It's loose, huh? Maybe I should have made like 17.5 millimeters. Yeah, maybe I was just, I think it's still gonna work. But anyways, yeah, so that's what's in my bag. What else? Did I miss anything? No, I did not miss anything. So this is just my protection, which I built in 2020. Yeah, it has protected my lipos for so many years. They're very good. Yep, I love them. And what else? Yeah, guys, so hopefully my brother-in-law and I will be able to visit Red Rocks. I think it's called Red Rocks. So we will be mountain surfing. And then I think he knows other places there where we can use our 5-inch quads. So yeah. What do you usually bring, guys? Yeah, that's it for me. So my tools will be checked in. So that's why you won't see any sharp objects here. Oh, I need the tool for this. Yeah, the lock knot. Did I bring it? Let's see. Is it here? I don't know. Oh, there, it's there. Nice. Okay, I also see my USB SD card readers. Nice. Okay, so I'm good. I'm all good, guys. I'm all good. I think I'm ready. So just need to grab the USB B cable, and then I forgot what else I said earlier. I'll figure it out. Alrighty, guys. So hope you enjoy the what's in my bag video. Hopefully you can share yours as well. All right, later. See you, Vegas. Bye.